Kubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Usamla me bon lingdo ubade nong aiktian jong ka fastom ulapan pau yo jing banyaw ka bajur hadian ba ka kinhun ki menteri ka balarai ban penkiyo ya ka tulop ki Nonghikai ka khlem pentep AA satya ya kinong yalam jong ka fastom halor ka jing shemrai ka jongka hendai gira shuyo jing tep na kilat pathai khubor baru laong ba kani ka jingle jong kani ka sarkar kam ya hap satya bat ka rukom sensyar patba Ulaong baka kenhun ki Nonghikai hi kamla banrai lakan pediang ya kate garai jong ka sarkar ni kan ampliang Ulaong baha kapor baka kenhun kaya kendu iki officer bat ki menteri jong ka sarkar gilapan sngo baka jingkwa jong ki kalong ban kanti ya ka tulap jong ki Nonghikai na ka benta ki lower primary upper primary secondary bat higher secondary bakan long marka jo watla ka kerdan jing puli jong ki Nonghikai kalong la ka jong Ulaong ba amdan iwe ru Nonghikai ha ka tega jing yakhi kiban kamen ya ka tega jing shimrai jong ka sarkar ban gantiyo ya ka tulap na marka e ka ba ka kenhuan ka kwa kalong ka jing gantiyo ka ba marka jo bat ka ni ka jingle jong ka sarkar kalong penban kumba ka kwa ban penyapya kardan ya ki Nonghikai Usamla me bon ulaong ru baha ka tuwe ka sngi bala dam uba Prestone tensong haba kren chigilat pathai khubor ulaong ba ka sarkar kan supply ars pa Klur tingka henre menta ka sngi hadian ka jing shemrai kalami penban tang shis pa Klur tingka baru labu jingkali ya sarkar ba shano kalabu bat Shaei kala ay ka te ka shis pa Klur Ute usamla ulaong baka jing shemrai ka bakhat du jong Nonghikai kan nong la shai ka sngi ha ka por khatwe beje men step ha ka baka kenhun kan sarai ka e ka sin jam ka bakin sa shim
In all of this, we were only being told that it is confidential and that the proposal is upgraded and it is a better one. However, when we got the news today, we are thoroughly disappointed. If you go back to the earlier years, every time the government takes a decision on the salary of the teachers, it will always take the leaders into confidence, and it will be the leaders first who will know how much we get, and then the press will come to know. But now we do not know how much we are getting, but we get the news from the press. This is not how a democracy works. This is not how a democracy looks like. This is not what democracy should be. So we cannot come to a decision whether we should take what the government has given us or whether we should not take. When we met with all of these officers from the government and the ministers, we let it know to them that we want the same enhancement for the LP, UP, secondary and higher secondary. Our proposal is for these 4 different categories of teachers, because these 4 different categories of teachers have been with us in the street for the last 3 months. We ask for the same salary enhancement. We know that there is a difference in qualifications. It is very clear that not even a single teacher who is present here is happy. We feel insulted for how the government has chose to take this blatant decision without taking us into consideration. We have met with different officers, with different cabinet ministers, and in all those meetings we have asked again and again about what this upgraded proposal that was being sent by the Education Department through Sir D.P. Walang looks like. When we met with the Chief Minister on the 12th of May, we asked what did the proposal look like. We got no answer. On that very same day, we asked from Sir D.P. Walang when he said it is upgraded We got no answer. When we met with the education minister the other day and Sir Ambrose Marak, we asked what did the proposal look like. We got no answer. And even when we met with the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sir Prestone the other day, we again asked what did the proposal look like. We really appreciate what the leader of the opposition party, Dr. Mukul Sangma, has done in the year 2016. He has upgraded the enhancement by 100%. If you take a look from 2013 to 2016, the salary increased by 100%. So if we talk in terms of the higher secondary teachers, because I am a higher secondary teacher, we moved from 12,000 to 24,000. And that is in the past. That is at a time where the budget allocation of Meghalaya was 13,000 crores. But if we take a look at the present context, the budget allocation of Meghalaya is 17,500 plus crores. Now if we take a look at the present context, the 3% of cess tax that is supposed to go to education, we do not know where did it go to for the last 6 years. Maybe it is time that we also try to find where is the 3% of cess tax. The government has decided to treat us. We did not ask for 50% of enhancement or 100%. Whereas if you take a look right from 2010 till 2016, there was an enhancement of 220%. We did not ask for 220% from the government. We are only asking for an average 75% of enhancement, but even that is not being given to us. When we take a look at the secondary, the higher secondary and the science teachers, we are being given 50% of what we demanded. Whereas if you take a look at the LP section and the UP, we got 25% of what we demanded. That is a blatant insult. That is a blatant disrespect. And that is something that the MDA government should not have done, because it should have taken us into account. If it doesn't have that much of money, like I said in the past, we will discuss. We understood. Our first demand stood at the deficitization. They said they cannot. We came down to the deficit pattern. They said they cannot. And we came back down to the 18% of enhancement and 5% of increment. The increment, forget it. We did not, it was not even considered. And now we are getting something which is just like pebbles with no value. Therefore, dear teachers, I would request you tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. to think this through over tonight, and please come back. We will have a decision tomorrow what we need to do and how we should move forward. We have always stated that we wanted to work together with the government. Even when we met with Kong Amparin, getting more than the others. But no, I am very sad. Not just sad, I'm also angry at how the government feels that they know better than what we are going through. They are sitting in the chairs. They are earning a lakhs per month. They are earning a lakhs. And they feel that they know better than how much we should earn. When we kept telling them again and again and again and again that the salary enhancement that we are looking for should be uniform. It means should be the same. What they are doing is trying to divide the teachers. This is the same old policy that is being done, that is being followed by the Britishers while they were in India. divide and rule. We are not happy, Mr. Conrad Sangma. We are not happy, Mr. Prestone Tinsang. And we are not happy, Mr. Lakman Rumboy. In the other day, while Sir Prestone Tinsang was addressing the press, he stated that the government is going to allocate 200 crores. But the number that came today is 100 crore. Where is the 100 crore? Where did it go to? How can in a few days, 2-3 days, 100 crore or 200 crore becomes 100 crore? Teachers tomorrow. It will be based on their decision that we will come to the final decision. What steps should we take? But the steps that the teachers will be taking tomorrow, I want all of you to be clear. What steps do you choose to take? Why do you choose to take? And you also think of whether the steps that you will be taking is good for you, is good for your fellow teachers or not. So today, what you can do is, you can watch the news, just like I said the other day. Watch the news. Watch the news, understand the situation, digest it, and tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. we will have a decision that will be taken from you.